This is a 3-year master's with a preparatory year, but since I had already had a bachelor's in conservation, I could skip the first year and only do the 2-year master's.
You start the process from the very beginning, that means from the archival research, and then you move on to documentation, photography.
The course has a good balance between practicals and theory.
Definitely an aspect that was very beneficial in this course was the interdisciplinary approach between all the different backgrounds on site, as well as sometimes in the classroom where we're having visiting lecturers of different professions that each give their own specific input.
Within the course, the most important part, I think, is the size of the group.
It was very interesting to see all the people with the different backgrounds and how they observe a situation differently, and they all give their own different inputs.
Being in a small group also helped us to have our schedule more flexible, which enabled us to go to conferences and also other lectures outside of university.
Also the relation between the students and the lecturers. When you are only 4 in the lecture, then you have this one-to-one almost experience.
We always have the lectures on site while working, so there's always room for discussion and questions. The amount of time spent on site is something I really enjoy about this course.
The fieldwork part of the course was the most interesting.
You combine the practical with theoretical, so after you have lectures to understand materials, for example, then you actually can come on site and try out and test the same materials.
And that's where the on-site fieldwork helps the most.
This is where you actually put your new knowledge and your accumulation of new skills into practice.
I'm from the cold north, so living in Malta is really nice. People are really nice and warm and welcoming. And it's a nice, small, quiet island in the Mediterranean.